in November of 1996. Now, Chandrababu Naidu, this will be his fourth term as Chief Minister. He's been Chief Minister between 1995 to 2004 and again between 2014 and 2019. Now, during this period, if we look at the stock price performance that Heritage Foods has had, if we can pull the chart up, now it listed in November of 1996. These are annual returns. So, in 1998, the stock had doubled. 1999, it was up almost 4x. Then 2002, it doubled. 2003, it doubled as well in some bit of profit-taking years in between, and in the second stint as well, almost at least 50% gains in the first 3 or 4 years. There 80%, 85, 87%, and then 50%. Other than the last 2 years, when eventually in 2019 he was voted out. Now in the last 12 sessions, the closing on the 23rd of May was somewhere close to 370. Now the stock at the highest point of the day was at 727. Now that was the high for Heritage Foods in today's trading session. Now, what has happened here is that this move that Heritage Foods has had, the year-to-date gains now are at 138%. Is the best calendar year that the stock has seen since 2012. Now, what is the connection here? Because Chandrababu Naidu's wife, Bhuvaneswari Nara, she holds a 24.3% stake, and son Nara Lokesh, he has a 10.8% stake in the company. Now, together, the value of their stake, which towards the end of May was somewhere around 1100 crores, now it's already 2,300 crores, considering the rally that the stock has seen. Now, because of this, so that's the move that we have seen in Heritage Foods and the subsequent reflection in the wealth for the promoter family as well. Now, in terms of financials, Heritage Foods for FY24, the main source of revenue for them is milk. Value-added products is somewhere close to 30%, and the rest coming from fat products and ice creams. Now, they have also done a lot of new launches recently. As early as the 5th of June, they launched a new range of pure ghee laddus under the Truly Good brand. They also launched a new range of ice creams for kids and also introduced new packaging formats for the farm fresh milk and for their whey-based energy drinks. So there are a lot of product innovations that are going in as well. They got a new CEO on board as well in 2021 from Coca-Cola. So that is also showing up in the performance of the stock. Now, because of which, and there was a large transaction that took place in the stock today. Just recently, almost 5% equity change stands close to 320 crores at a price of 725. The buyers and sellers remain unclear, but because of this move, if we can pull up the intraday chart, the stock that was locked in a 10% upper circuit at one point of time had a very sharp sell-off and almost turned negative, and then after that it has recovered from the lows of the day. So there you can see the reaction there. It broke out of the circuit, almost turned negative, actually briefly turned negative as well, and then again has recovered from the lows of the day. So 6.5% higher still is Heritage Foods, still up 100% in the last 12 sessions. Pretty strong moves coming in there for this stock as well.
It's had quite a ride, imagine that. I think 14 days, some 94% gain coming through. It's been absolutely stellar. Well, with that, we're completely out of time. Leaving the market just about 50 points higher on the index. Mid-caps also up about 100 points. We'll take your leave. It's a wrap from the trading hour team, but do stay tuned because halftime report will take the action forward.